introduce yourself, please.
Hello guys, my name is Erica from Germany.
Erica from Germany.
I met these guys in the car and then we went up and yeah, we were very fast. And now we're here.
That's it. CR.
Okay, it's a lake.
Which lake?
The Kölükül.
Oh, nice.
Can you pronounce
Yeah,
it?
same. Good.
Can you try it?
Kölükük?
Yeah.
Oh, that was very professional. Kölükük. Oh, okay. And the water is very blue, and over there somebody is doing some construction. We don't know what it is for, but it's gonna be great. And now we're here, and the main thing to do is to walk. So after 5 hours of walking, we decided to take a walk. So, yeah, okay. See you soon.
Bye.
Hi, you got into it.
Close
huh?
it, close it.
I don't know
The
how.
top button. Okay. We're headed from the town of Kochkor to a nearby lake Kululuk. No, yeah, 20 kilometers in total, like going and coming back. And it'll be total of 7.5 hours of walking. 4.5 to the youth camp, and then tomorrow maybe to the smaller lake. And some cow shepherds. Small cow. Salam alaikum. Walaikum. Oh no. It's our second break. It's like 3 hours remaining by walk. We are at 2,500 meters elevation, not high. The road is very flat. We are now another 30 minutes in, and this is a nice stream, water stream to refill. This is probably the official entry, a broken gate. We have a lot of lambs here. They don't respond to me. Oh. Yay! We are on our third break. Nicely up the river. Yep, we are just 30 minutes away.
Wow.
Now this is the viewpoint of the valley, and that is the road we took, which was around 7 or more kilometers. We are just 20 minutes away, but it's with the sun, the lake looks blue, and there is our yurt. They're building a road here, maybe tourism will explode soon. And you can see the blue water of the lake clearer now. And again, that's our yurt and beautiful mountain views. I hope the skies are clear later so I can see the stars at night. It'll be very beautiful Milky Way. This is our yurt camp for the day next to the lake, and here the town looks like 4 beds. He's already sleeping. And this is the heater for the night because it gets colder. It's very protected from the winds. Road people did this to get better sleep and heat, and that's more of it around. And another view of the lake. I think this is the toilet. And again here next to this beautiful lake, the water is so clear, and the view of the mountains. Peace again. Okay, now we are walking alongside the lake, and the yurt camp is behind there. And Silent Place is not as busy as Songkul, but Kyrgyzstan is surprising. Now it is rising high. Until now Georgia for nature was nice for me, but Kyrgyzstan with less tourism is replacing my list of top countries to come by for hiking, trekking and nature. Interesting lakes. You can also do a lot of mountain hikes in Karakol, and that is the best part. Nah, indigenous. interesting flora and fauna. Ah.
Go there, then there's the sun.
Yep.
You need to go to the sun.
Hindi people, this is Chicago. Getting colder. It's night time and that's the mobile phone lighted up with yours. There's nothing else to do. And this is a beautiful morning in our youth camp at the Ukak Lake. You can see the mountains on the sunrise, and the best part is it is so cold. There is frost on the grass. So yeah, temperatures can get actually really cold here. And here we have it. The sun is up. It's peaceful and quiet, but it's soon breakfast time. Perfect place for a visit. And this is our breakfast at 8 AM. Always a lavish spread. Nice. And here we are after breakfast. I'm ready to go, waiting for a friend to wake up, but let's see. Until that, enjoying the views. There's another lake right there where you can hike, which will take around 3 to 4 hours to go, but I would not do so and go back to Kochkar because I have some things to figure out for my next tour and travels. But it's a breathtaking place.